अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम क्लास 6 का चैप्टर नंबर 1 सेट्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। क्लास 6 चैप्टर नंबर 1 सेट्स। इस चैप्टर को पढ़ने के बाद आप इस काबिल हो जाएंगे कि आप डिफ़ाइन कर सकें कि एक सेट क्या होता है और उसकी नोटेशन क्या होती है। यू विल बी एबल टू रिकग्नाइज द नोटेशन ऑफ अ सेट and you will be able to recognize the elements of a set. This chapter is very important because in class 6, 7 and 8, in all the classes, chapter number 1 is sets. So you have to be very careful and listen and understand all these things very carefully. First question is, what is a set? A set is a collection of a distinct and well-defined object, distinct and well-defined objects. For example, set of first 5 natural numbers a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 enclosed in the bracket as you can see on the screen. Now the next question is, what are elements? Elements are the objects of a set. The objects of a set are called its elements. As you can see on the screen that a set has 3 elements, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 are the elements of set A. Now the question arises that what is the meaning of well-defined? Well-defined means a specific property of an object that enables it to be an element of a set or not. Specific property means a special property, a property which is understandable for each and everyone. Now I am giving you one example, set of good stories. It is not a well-defined set because story may be good for one person but may not be good for another person. So it is not a specific property, and as it is not a specific property, so it will not be a set. Next word is distinct. Distinct means the same object or same number should not appear more than once. It is a very important quality because if we will repeat the letters or numbers again and again, then it will be not a set. For example, you can see on the screen, the set of letters of the word small is S, M, A, L, not double L. In the above example, you can see that the letter L has been written only once. If it is written twice, then it is not a set. Now the next thing is set notation. A set is represented by a capital letter, or you can say that we name a set by using capital letters. English alphabets and its members or elements are written within brackets, separated by commas. As you see the example on the screen, that set of pets A is equal to cow, comma, horse, comma, goat, etc. And all these elements are enclosed in the brackets. Now the last thing of today's lecture is the meaning of symbol E. The symbol E, as you can see on the screen, is a Greek letter which is used to tell that an object is an element or belong to or the member of a set. And the symbol E is, if it is crossed, then it means that this element does not belong to this set. it is a symbol that we use if we want to say that this element does not belong to this set. Now you have learned all these things about today's lecture. I am going to repeat all these things and you can see all these things that first of all I have told you what is a set, then what are elements, then what is the meaning of well defined, distinct, set notation, meaning of symbol. Now in the next lecture I will tell you about the exercise 1.1 and we will discuss all the questions of exercise 1.1. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.